Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. In today's video, let's learn how to recover the deleted Telegram chat messages and photos on Android. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do is go to the Play Store. Here search for Telegram. Here search for Telegram app. Make sure that your app is updated. If not, make sure to update it first. After that, the next step is go to the Telegram and here go to the settings. After that, scroll down to data and storage. Scroll down and here enable this Wi-Fi options. Tap on notifications and sound. Make sure that this background connection option is enabled. This will make sure that your chats and photos are backed up on Telegram. Now the last step what you have to do is you can scroll down and here in the help section you will find the option of ask a question. Here you can tap on ask as a volunteer. Here you can start the conversation and the Telegram support team will contact you and help you to fix your problem. I hope this video will help you out to recover the deleted chats on Telegram. So thank you for joining us in this tutorial. See you guys in the next video.